Hi, in this lesson, I want us to have a look at one of the technological solutions to the problem of carbon gases in the atmosphere and climatic change occurring as a result. This is a technology called carbon capture and storage. You're looking at an image of a trial carbon capture plant in Norway. Norwegians have been um, working on carbon capture for quite a while, investing an awful lot of money um, into this technology to try and see if it has the possibilities uh, to address some of the increases in carbon gases in the atmosphere that we've seen. Carbon capture and storage involves collecting carbon dioxide, liquefying it, and pumping it into a number of different geological situations. The idea then is that carbon is becomes trapped within the rocks, may even bond with the minerals in the rocks and solidify, um, and will be permanently stored, um, perhaps even back in the rocks where they came from. Some of the best locations to put carbon dioxide are old hydrocarbon traps because the geology there is already set up, uh, already exists to contain uh, fluids, gases uh, for long periods of time under the ground. Old coal seams as well, whether they've been mined or not, uh, can also be really good stores for carbon dioxide because the coal will um, bond with the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide will solidify uh, in those type of situations. So, in theory, this this technique um, would work. We have the technology to, if we have the technology to extract these hydrocarbons, we can use very similar technology to put it back. Our understanding of the geology of these places is very, very good because it's been studied in huge amounts of detail to be able to extract the fossil fuels. There are challenges, though, but those challenges are perhaps more political, more economic than geological. Capturing carbon at its source is is going to be challenging. Perhaps the biggest problem, though, is who pays for it. This will come with expense. Is that paid for by a tax on carbon emitters? Um, how then is that applied globally? So there's the solutions that we'll see in the following videos are they're certainly possible. We do need to question and we do need to evaluate how likely they are. When you watch these videos as well, look carefully at who's made these videos. Think critically about the messages they're sending based on who's actually giving you this information. As I say, the Norwegians have been trying this, not entirely successfully, but they've certainly invested more in this process than most others. Watch the video about that scheme and evaluate how successful do you think it's been. Is this is this the future? Is this the solution to our climate change problems? Or is it part of the mixture of things that we need to do? Does it give us permanent storage of carbon as opposed to maybe a temporary storage of carbon from things like tree planting? Anyway, as we see the sunset over a potential carbon capture field, read through the relevant pages of your booklet. If you finish that, have a go at the homework task. If you have any questions, ask me when you next see me in class. I'll see you.